The piloting of this court is not just the beginning of a new judicial process, it is truly the start of a new era in how this country responds to the intersection of mental health and justice with compassion, dignity, and hope. UNICEF stands proud with the government and all its partners on this momentous occasion, and we are honored to have provided technical assistance and funding to help make this court a reality and to support the broader vision of a justice system that is truly inclusive, rehabilitative, and child-sensitive. This mental health court represents an important step forward in ensuring access to justice for all, and particularly for persons with mental health illnesses and intellectual disabilities, which is in line with Guyana's Mental Health Protection and Promotion Act of 2022. So this court is significant as it will recognize the complex intersection of mental illness, intellectual abilities, and criminal behavior. And by adopting a therapeutic jurisprudence model, it will transform the legal system into a real tool, not just for correction, but for healing and rehabilitation.
This launch represents a major step forward in our country's efforts to address mental health in a humane, evidence-based, and human rights-based and integrated manner. The mental health court is not just a courtroom, it's a vision, one that recognizes that mental health or mental health illnesses should be met with treatment, not punishment. I'm deeply encouraged by this initiative that recognizes a long overlooked truth. Mental illness is not a crime, and those who suffer from it deserve care, not punishment. The establishment of the mental health court is a critical recognition that health and justice are deeply intertwined. It signals a shift from stigmatization to support, from incarceration to intervention, and from marginalization to meaningful reintegration.
I began by recognizing that this court establishes a fact that we have matured significantly as a society. In common parlance, those persons have been referred to as mad, crazy, or insane, and their mental condition grossly misunderstood. Today, our society has made great strides in recognizing that every person in Guyana must have their human rights protected and respected, and in this case, the right to health. There is still much to be done, as upholding human rights in mental health care is of utmost importance if our society is to develop in the direction we hope. Within the mental health care context, access to justice is critical to ensure that those living with mental illness have their voices heard, can exercise their rights, challenge discrimination, and overall ensure their full and effective role as participants in legal proceedings.